Stop scrolling. You just found the butter garlic chicken recipe that'll turn your kitchen into a 5-star restaurant. Crispy, juicy, buttery, garlicky, this dish is absolutely addictive. And the best part? You only need a few simple ingredients and 15 minutes of your time. Let's dive in. Picture this: golden chicken sizzling in a pan, soaked in rich garlic butter, the smell filling your kitchen. Your stomach's already interested, isn't it? All you need is some chicken thighs or breasts, whichever you love, fresh garlic, butter, salt, pepper, parsley, a splash of olive oil, and a little lemon juice to finish it off like a pro. First, season that chicken like you mean it. Salt, pepper, maybe a wink to the garlic you're about to throw in. Get it coated, get it confident. Then get your pan hot. No baby heat, we're looking for Sizzle City. A touch of olive oil, then place your chicken down. Hear that? That's the sound of flavor happening. Now enter butter. Don't hold back. Drop a generous chunk of it into the pan. Watch it melt. Hear it hiss. Smell it changing your life. Throw in that minced garlic. Stir gently, and suddenly it's not just a kitchen, it's a memory being made. Butter and garlic together? That's culinary chemistry. Spoon the garlic butter over the chicken like you're painting a masterpiece. Over and over till it's glazed and glossy and you're wondering how you lived without this recipe. It smells outrageous. It looks like a magazine cover. And it's still not done. Now sprinkle in some fresh parsley. Squeeze that lemon. Just a little. It brightens everything like a final touch of sunshine. Let the chicken simmer a little longer, just soaking up every last drop of that golden garlic sauce. Time to plate. Lay that buttery beauty down on a bed of rice or next to some creamy mashed potatoes. Maybe a drizzle of extra garlic butter on top because you can, and you should. Take a bite. The skin is crispy, the inside juicy, and the flavor? Outrageous. It's soft, bold, rich, and fresh all at once. You didn't just cook dinner. You created a showstopper. A flavor bomb. A love letter in garlic and butter. So if you like this recipe, drop a buttery heaven in the comments, hit that follow, and stay tuned for more recipes that slap harder than your favorite playlist. Because we're just getting started.